One-Stop Toolkit for WhatsApp is a versatile Android application designed to enhance the WhatsApp messaging experience with a range of useful tools and features. Aiming to improve user convenience and functionality, it provides enhancements that are not typically available within the standard WhatsApp app. Key features commonly include scheduling messages, creating automated replies, and managing multiple WhatsApp accounts from a single user interface. Additionally, users can clean up chat histories, back up media files, and customize their messaging experience with various themes and fonts. The application may also allow users to view deleted messages, send bulk messages, manage contact organization, and even analyze chat statistics. Furthermore, it often incorporates privacy settings, helping users to secure their information while using the app. Overall, One-Stop Toolkit for WhatsApp serves as an essential companion for WhatsApp users, streamlining communication and offering advanced functionalities that significantly enhance the messaging experience.